One of the reasons traders are still failing in 2026 isn't because of their strategy, it's because they don't understand risk to reward. That's why in this video, I'm going to cover exactly how to calculate your risk reward and why it's so important, and how a trader with a low win rate can still be consistently profitable. By the end of the video, you'll be able to look at any trade and instantly know whether it's worth taking or not. Let's get right into it. Jumping right onto TradingView. I hope you're using TradingView in 2026. If you aren't, I highly suggest it. It's honestly one of the best trading platforms and charting platforms. So jumping right on the left column over here, we can see both our long position and our short position. Now, of course, if you want to take longs, you take the long, short, or the shorts. So you can also favorite them so they can pop up right over here, and it's just more accessible when you're doing your charting on the analysis platform. So say, for example, you want to take a short position. Now there's actually two ways that you can calculate your risk reward. This is going to be the first way over here. So obviously stop loss is always going to want to go at your previous high in the market. So for example, right here, this would be your previous high. Now, two things that you want to look at in this forecasting tool is both the quantity and the risk to reward. So for example, say I want to aim for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Now, yeah, that's pretty small. Let's just enlarge it a bit so it's easier to notice with the eye. Say you want to aim for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. If you're risking $200, you're going to make $200. If you're risking $500, you're going to make $500. If you're risking $1,000, you're going to make $1,000 because you're aiming for a 1-to-1. If you're aiming for a 2 risk reward, that means that if you're risking $500, you're going to make $1,000. If you're risking $1,000, you're going to make $2,000. That makes sense? And so on and so forth. If you're risking 3 to 3 RR, then whatever you're risking times 3, essentially. So now we look at quantity. Say, for example, we double click over here. Lot size, make sure it's always 1. And for your risk, say we want to risk, let's just say $1,000. Make sure this is US dollar, by the way, if I didn't mention that already. Risk $1,000. Now, we can see right here, it says quantity, risk 5 contracts, 5.3. We rounded down 5 contracts. We can see right up here, we're risking $937. My light literally just went out. My bad. $937. Now, say we want to risk $500. Now we see our quantity went down to 2.6. So we'll round it up to 3. Now we're risking 562. That makes sense? Pretty simple, fairly straightforward. So look at your risk reward and your quantity. And of course, make sure 500 and US dollar, whatever you want to risk, whether it's 500, 1,000, 200, you name it. Now, that's one way you can calculate it. Second way is literally just open up the chart over here. If you're on TradingView, click limit. And we can see right over here, say we want to take a sell position and we want to enter the trade right over here. Instead of actually using the short tool, say you just don't want to use it, what you can do is bring your stop loss all the way up here, because this is where you want to be out of the trade if it goes up, and bring your TP to your desired point. And right over here, we can see we're risking $548. Say we want to risk $1,000. Let's see. Let's put 4 contracts in. Okay, that's only 600. 5 contracts to 700. Okay, so 7 contracts it is. That's risking $1,000. Say I only want to risk $400. Let's see. It's going to be around 3 contracts. That is also another way you can calculate your risk. Now, I hope this made sense. I hope this video was very worth it for you to watch. If it did, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you do want one-on-one help and me jumping on the charts with you, explaining everything there is to know about trading and my personal strategies, I do have a personal link down below. Go check that out. I am currently running a little special, so that is something that is pretty nice. So if you did like this video, as I said, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any questions about risk to reward. Peace.